In the vibrant Plateau Mont-Royal neighborhood of Montreal, Le Petit Merlot House by Naturehumaine marries heritage and modernity. Restored to honor its 1920s facade, this duplex renovation blooms anew towards a tranquil, glazed courtyard, a refreshing dialogue between red brick tradition and contemporary openness. The front facade restores legacy details: modular red clay brick, painted hemlock lintels, stone spandrels, multi-pane French windows and a molded cornice, all repainted in Merlot red to blend into heritage fabric. In contrast, the rear facade is fully glazed, spanning 4 levels between brick volumes, creating a luminous, contemporary interior full of daylight and garden connection. Built within existing party walls, the renovation stacks 2 full units plus a mezzanine, respecting zoning limits while expanding vertical space. A strong structure with heritage brick front and modern steel-framed glazing rear, supported by a wooden steel staircase at the core. In the lower unit there is an open living, dining, kitchen and master bedroom, all oriented toward the garden. In the upper unit, a living space, 2 bedrooms and a south-facing office overlook the garden through large windows. The rear glazing floods interior spaces with gentle north-facing daylight. The English courtyard lifts natural light into the basement. Interior circulation. A vertical staircase of white-painted perforated steel connects all floors visually, enhancing cross-ventilation and quality of space. A rich material palette: historic red brick Merlot painted with lintels, St. Mark's stone steel glazing frames, balanced with crisp white interiors, warm wood parquet and Caesar stone counters. Consistent red accents link exterior and interior. Window mullions, furniture elements, a library in upper unit painted red, and lighting fixtures in the lower unit echo heritage tones. Decor remains minimalist and functional. Light-colored walls and wood floors let views and material textures breathe. Internally framed planted terraces and steel corten plant boxes extend greenery into deep interior zones, strengthening continuity between indoor and garden life. Le Petit Merlot House is architecture as time travel. Heritage rooted in brick at the front, contemporary life unfolding through glass at the back. It is an urban duet of memory and light, grounded in conviviality and crafted for modern living.